Your campervan is equipped with several power switches and protection systems. They control your power supply and help protect your circuits, keeping everything running smoothly and safely. First, you'll find the lithium battery push-button switches in two spots: the tail bed compartment and the control panel. These activate your battery system. Next, look above the two-person seat. That's where the AC power distribution box lives. It protects your mains power, inverter, air conditioning, and other AC circuits. Right beside it, you'll see the solar panel switch. Flip it on to enable roof solar charging. And finally, the main power switch for your starter battery is tucked inside the electrical cabinet, just behind the two-person seat. Before you hit the road or fire up any appliances, always check these switches and protection systems. It's a simple step that keeps your campervan powered, protected, and ready for adventure.